Welcome to the session on cloud computing and its application. In today's session, we will talk about module number 3, chapter number 6. Name of the chapter is Concurrent Computing, Thread Programming. In particular, we will be talking about programming application with Aneka threads. I'll be talking in very brief. I'll be just telling you the overview of what is there in programming application with Aneka threads. Programming application with Aneka threads in order to show how it is possible to quickly port multi-threaded applications to Aneka threads. We provide a distributed implementation of the examples previously discussed for local threads. Here previously discussed is in our previous video. We have already explained about how it is done in the using the local threads. Aneka thread application model. In thread programming model is a programming model where the units of work are created as Aneka threads by the programmer. Therefore, it is necessary to utilize the Aneka application class, which is the application reference class for all the programming models falling into this category. The Aneka APIs make a strong use of generics and characterize the support given to different programming models through template specialization. Hence, to develop distributed applications with Aneka threads, it is necessary to specialize the template type as follows. That is, Aneka application, inside the angular bracket we have Aneka thread, thread manager. This will be the class type for all the distributed applications using the thread programming model. These two types are defined in Aneka.threading namespace noted in the Aneka.threading.dll library for the Aneka SDK. Another important component of the application model is the configuration class, which is defined in Aneka.entity namespace. This class contains a set of properties that allows the application class to configure its interaction with the middleware, such as the address of the Aneka index service, which constitutes the main entry point of the Aneka clouds. The user credentials required to authenticate the application with the middleware. Some additional tuning parameters and an extended set of properties that might be used to convey additional information to the middleware. Here is an example of sample application, that is creation and configuration in Aneka threads. Explanation, you can go through the notes. Once the application has been created, it is possible to create threads by specifying the references to the applications and the methods to execute in each thread, and the management of the application execution is mostly concerned with the controlling the execution of each thread instances. The rest of the operations related to the common management of thread instances similar to the local multi-threaded application discussed earlier. As per, as per the syllabus, they have given two examples in the textbook. That is, one is on domain decomposition and second one is on functional decomposition. Under domain decomposition, we have matrix multiplication, and under functional decomposition, we have sine, cosine, and tangent. In the textbook, what they have shown is both these examples. They have shown how domain decomposition and functional decomposition is done using the local thread, and also they have shown how these two application is done using Aneka threading. So all the explanations regarding this is there in our notes. Kindly refer the notes. All the contents All the contents has been taken from the textbook Mastering Cloud Computing, written by Rajkumar Bhuya. We thank you for his wonderful contents. Thank you.